Hopefully you have the capacitive proximity detectors fresh in your mind. Those that had a sensitive area, and close to the sensitive area you had a capacitor which made an electric field that actually went outside the sensor itself, so it was able to detect any object that passed close to or into this electric field that you have here. And they could detect everything: plastic, water, whatever, metal. But the inductive, they look very much the same, but they have a coil close to the sensitive area. So you would have a coil right here. A coil has the magnetic core or something that would help the magnetic field, and actually that needs to be metal. So these are actually metal detectors. So if I have a conveyor belt like this, and on the conveyor belt let's say that I have some bottles. Okay, I know my drawing isn't very good, but never mind. So these are bottles on the conveyor belt, and they are moving in this direction. And I could use a capacitive proximity detector to detect if I have bottles. So let's say that I have a sensor right here, which is capacitive. So I can use that to detect bottles, because they are made of glass, or maybe they have liquid in them, so I can detect that. But I can use an inductive to detect if I have a cap on the bottle, like this. So if I have an inductive proximity detector there, that would be able to detect if I have a cap or not. So bottle A has a cap, bottle B does not have, C and D both have caps on them. If I instead use the capacitive one here, I would actually detect all 4 bottles, because they all manipulated the electrical field, but only the caps would manipulate the magnetic field, and therefore only A, C and D would be detected in that case. So therefore both detectors, both sensors, are very popular in the industry. Also, you have probably seen in the road, when you go close to a traffic light, it sometimes looks like your car actually is what turns the traffic light green, maybe, when you get closer. What you have then is a coil embedded in the tarmac, which detects that there is a car waiting for a green light.